Today we're going to talk about how to adjust your exterior lighting in your Taycan. You can do so on the instrument cluster. Over here on the left-hand side, you'll see 4 different lit up buttons. We'll start at the top here. The first is our parking light button. This will allow you to turn your lights off. You can select it once and it will go to just the parking light, and then you can press and hold and it will turn off the lights entirely. Here you can see that the vehicle lighting has been switched off. Now you can turn the lights back on by selecting the auto icon. This puts the lighting in auto mode, meaning when it's dark, your lights will turn on, and when it's light, they will turn off. Now you can also turn off the automatic high beam by touching this button. This will turn off the automatic high beam. Now there's a second way to turn off the automatic high beam, and that's in the PCM. In the PCM, you'll select Settings, scroll down to Vehicle, scroll down again to Exterior Lights, and here you can see Automatic High Beam Adjustment. You can turn it on and off from this location. Here you also see the welcome and goodbye animation. What will happen here is the front and rear lights will perform an animation when you turn on and off the vehicle. Let's transition down here to the bottom button. This is your fog light button. When you select it, 2 additional lights will show up on the rear of the vehicle for better visibility during fog. Now you can select it again to turn it off, or if you would like to turn all of your lights off, again, just press and hold this parking light button until you see a pop-up in the PCM. You can also adjust your high beam manually. You can pull towards you for a flash. You can push away once for automatic high beams if you have it turned on in the PCM. You can push again to turn on normal high beams. You now can configure and use your exterior lighting in your new Taycan.